Dito po kami sa lecture na sama si Baby Boy. Tingin-tingin pa siya, oh. Tingin-tingin pa siya, oh. Tingin-tingin siya sa mga games. Sa mga fly-fly, oh. Pugi-pugi. So guys, we're going to lecture now. May perya pa po dito hanggang ngayon. Yes. Yan po sila. Guys, ayan sila, oh. Oh, takot sila. Stay. No, bebe? Natakot sila, no? Where's the entrance? Where's the entrance? Where's the entrance daw, bebe? Na? Nandiyan daw yung entrance? Na? Nandiyan daw yung entrance? Oh, pogi-pogi na. Tingin-tingin siya, oh. Hoy! Hoy! Yan siya, oh. Ah, you want to ride this one? You want to ride this one, Coco? Coco, Coco. Oh, you want to ride this? You want to ride this, Coco? You want to ride that one? Oh, you want to ride? Oh, you see? You like that? Huh? You like that? Nasaan sila, kuya? Yan, dito na po kami sa entrance. Entrance na. Ah, si Coco, inalis niya yung sombrero niya. Oh, yung sombrero ni Coco. Oh, inalis niya yung sombrero ni Coco. Ngo, inalis niya yung sombrero niya. Ngo. Entrance, 50 pesos. Ayan po, entrance, 50 pesos.
Makapambalay lang yung lagin.
Ayan po, nakapambahay lang kami. Napapunta kami sa leksyon. Yan. 70. So, kulang pa tayo ng 80. Now what?
40?
How much we have now? How much we have now? We need to add 100. Give me the 100 one. Yan. It's okay. It's 280.
Dalawang tato, 100.
300 yan.
Ilan sila, sir?
Yeah. Ah, pa-picture na kayo dyan, ano?
Sige, nasaan yung pera?
Ayan, no?
Pera,
Wait lang. It's okay. Coco! Aba! Si Kuya Liam, oh, nakapambahay sila, oh. We're going there first so we can eat something.
Yeah. Go,
You want to take photo of this?
You know? Ooh, that's my drop points.
There's a drop coins. Ducky Duck. Basketball school shooters. Do you want basketball shooters?
Yeah, I want Ducky Duck.
Yes, maglaro kayo dito, mama. Natin ng po, 10 lakhs na. Lahat ng bigay may points mo sa ilalim.
But we're gonna eat first. I'm so hungry. Sakay natin dun si si Coco, yung nakabike na sa taas. Coco! Aba! Dami pa lang dito. Tapos na yung New Year, meron pa rin, no?
Rumble, I can do that. I have a good aim. Airsoft pistol and rifle. Ooh, that's pretty good. I can do
What
the
can you
rumble.
say? What can you say about this place?
Awesome, amazing, best thing, best ever, best thing in my life, and I'm struggling to say so I got.
How about you, Liam? What can you say about this place?
I just want to try games.
Games only?
And it.
And eat?
Eat, sleep.
Eat what?
Sleep, game, repeat.
Tickets of rides. Oh, because today it's Saturday, that's why a lot of people here, di ba?
And
Right.
outside I go
Yeah.
get my bike. And then I just eat around my house. And then after 12 I just play classes. Me, wake up, eat, game, sleep, repeat. Shooting gun. Shooting gun. There's so many shooting guns. Already got
What?
shooting gun.
Yeah, later. We're gonna eat first. Where is the food?
Dun pa yung food eh. Nakakalimutan na natin to.
Oh, this is the sky bike.
Try na natin. Try na natin.
Okay, we're going to sky bike or what?
Bro, sky bike. Let's go sky bike.
Or spinner. I want spinner.
Sky bike. Sky bike.
Spinner.
Sky bike.
I choose spinner than sky bike.
Ikaw na lang. Hintay kami.
Why? You don't like this? Or this bikings? Biking. Do you want to try the biking? Do you want to try the biking? Where? Ah, Coco Melon naging payat. Ang payat ni Coco Melon. Di, Coco. Bless ka kay Coco Melon. Oh, picture kayo, picture. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Touch mo siya. Thank you.
Coco Martin. Coco Martin.
Okay, first the Ferris wheel. Oh, I want to try this ice cream.
There's one piece.
I want to try this ice cream. Hey,
Let's get it.
do you want ice cream?
Ice cream, ice cream.
Magkano po yung ice cream?
30 po sa cone with this ako.
Ano yung mga flavor? Can I have some sprinkles?
You ask the flavor. You ask the flavor.
Sa combination po siya ng cheese, buko, and cashew nuts.
May cookies and cream.
Then which one you
May
want?
cookies and cream.
You ask him.
May cookies and cream.
Chocolate cookies.
I want chocolate cookies.
In a cone. In a cone. Which one?
And I want sprinkles.
Yeah, you can put it. Oh.
Dalawa naman.
And I want sprinkle. I want this. I want sprinkle. I want marshmallows.
You smile. You smile. I'll take a photo of you. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. You try. It's nice. Is it nice? Liam, it's nice. Liam, how's the taste? Hey, 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 hey.
Tastes like heaven.
Ay?
Ice cream. I keep saying best day ever, but actually.
I think I'm gonna get one. I want also. No, I want the other flavor.
The cashew nut chocolate chip.
Yes.
Pumpkin pie.
Oh my. Dapat din laming stroller na yan. Ne? Ayan, ayan mo. Ayan. Ah, Liam, I like this one.
Hey, go na. Wait
I like this one. Top spin. Oh my.
Dali na, kapag wala kami ginagawa.
Are they going to start now?
Nobody's in the blue seat.
This is scary. But it's scary.
It's the top spin.
Do you want to try?
Turkey kebab.
Yan na! Yan na! Yes, I know.
Eh, kapag nasa lunok. Pag may palabas na, ibalik sa loob.
This is for 80 pesos only. Oh! You want to try, Onan? Oh my! Oh my! Oh my!
Spin like that.
Oy! Oh my! Oh my! Oo. Ah! Sumisigaw si Makokoy. Sumisigaw si Makokoy. Sumisigaw siya. Ah! Oh, you like? You like? You want to ride that? No! Oh my. Ay.
Ay, lunok.
Ayoko talaga sa ganyan.
Isipin na magandang alaala. Wait, ang ganda mo, te. Ganda.
Hagyuge yan. Nag-UK. Reta pang ang scary kanyan eh. Guli sa kamo. Itangang kay mami eh ngo. Tang mami kinayag eh. Mati ako ka rin. Pero burike. Ne? Grabe yung mga lakbag puso. May katadwa ako po sinakya. They're leaving. How? You're next. You're next. You are next.
Iron Man.
How about this? You want this one? How about this? This one. You want to try this? Huh? You try. Ikot-ikot lang. You want? Saan po magbabayad?
Kaya po dito sa meron din pong right student. Sa side po ng
Ano? Ano yung gusto nyo? Ayun na lang bike, no? Yun na lang.
If they would
Wait lang. O, picture ko muna kayo. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yan. Okay, go. Galingan nyo. Wala kayong natutumba. Galing ni Kuya Liam ah. Galingan mo, Onan. Galingan mo. Nakaisa pa lang kayo. Dalawa na.
Inaano ko yun yung malaki, yung yellow na malaki na ano na tinatawag.
Go, Onan. Wow! Nakailan ka? Naka 1, 2, 3, 4. Nakalima ka na. Dapat makailan, te? Makailan dapat? 6. Ha?
Kasi dito sila, 5, 8, meron pong small size flat scale character cake.
Liam, galingan mo. Pag 8. Pag 8 daw, meron, dice. Unan, mag-ano ka ng dalawa para makakuha ka ng dice. Taas mo.
No, don't aim it here. Aim it like this. Because when you shoot the things here, you should a little bit down. Lana.
Yeah, some more. Oh, some more. Oh, wow. Yun. Oh.
Bakit yung isa? Isa pa?
Kaya nga. Hindi niya kasi nakikita. Wala na. Game over. O, pili na kayo. Yung red na lang, red. Red na lang sa car. Red na lang sa car. Madumiin yung white. Red na lang. Oh, yan, red na lang.
Ayoko na.
Ay, yung bayad. Bayad.
Try like the dark. Wait lang po.
Ayan siya, oh. Oh, you want to ride this Wonder Wheel? You want to ride the Wonder Wheel?
No, I want skybike.
Okay, let's go.
Skybike good. Skybike.
I don't know why are you going here.
Skybike. Before us, red.
Come. Go. Oh, let's go. Ride na kayo. Saan yung start? Ayun yung start. Ayun yung start, oh. Sige lang. Sige, akyat kayo. Nasaan na? Nasaan na sila? Hi! 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 Ronan! Onan! 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 Hello! 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 Asan tayo? Antalo. Bilis nyo! Ah!
Hi!
Hi! Hello! Hello kayo! Hello!
Hey!
Hey! Hello! Liam! Onan! Hello! 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 Say hi! Hello! Oy, seryoso naman? Ang seryoso nila, oh. Oy! Ang seryoso nila, oh. Ayun, largo, oh. Let's go. Ayun, largo, oh, eh. Hello! Ronan! 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 How's your experience with the sky bike?
Good, good, good.
Good?
Good, good, good. I just got scared when it was on the corner, on that corner, because that was the scary part. It was like this. Yeah.
Oh.
That means I'm shivering timbers. Shivering in timbers.
Let's eat now.
Yeah, let's eat.
Oy. Woo.
Looks like a meteor. Still more. It looks like a lion. It looks golden. It's like as it is, the color of golden. Kinda
What
golden.
can you say about it?
Wait, this for that. Wait, wait. Ooh!
Whoa! Whoa!
Okay, bro.
What can you see without your mirror? Mirror? Can you see? What can you see without your sunglasses?
Something.
Something what?
Put it on again.
Something what? Something beautiful?
Yeah, see, I see it.
Ah!
So with eyeglass.
With eyeglass?
Pangit. No. I see something new. You're faking it, bro. I know you love your mom better than. See, you're lying. I know someone choking me. That means you're lying. Choke me again.
Oy, let's go. We go to McDonald's now.
Should I choke me again, huh?
Okay, we're gonna try this one.
You gonna try? You try it first. I'm gonna try.
Oh, you're going there. Take a lot, ah. Onan, you take a lot. Saan nila lalagay yung mga snacks? Ah, sa upuan? Ilang minutes?
Sa mabaan siya, ma'am. Wala po siyang oras.
Ah. Ooh.
You got
After Onan is you. Huwag ka malikot, Liam. Yoo! Galingan mo, Onan. Onan! Take all, ah.
Get it! Get it!
Take all the snacks. Woo!
Go!
Woo! Woo! Faster! Take all! Put at your back. Go! Ayan. Okay na. Yung paa. Get some with your... Ah!
Ganito na lang ako na!
Woo! Wow! Yay! Dami nakuha! Next! Kuya Liam! Next, Kuya Liam! Galingan mo, Liam!
Liam, careful, there's your head when you get out.
Kuha ka sa paa mo, Liam!
I'm gonna aim for those. Yeah, aim for those. No, you gotta scoop it in. No.
Liam! Take all, Liam! Liam, take all, Liam!
Don't put any back.
Liam, take your foot! Yeah, yeah! Some more! Some more! Hawakan mo mabuti, yo! Damihan mo, Liam! Liam! Ah! Wag mong uhulog! Oh, daming nahulog! Hawakan mo mabuti! Lagay mo sa likod mo! Lagay mo sa likod mo! Lagay mo sa likod mo, Liam! 1, 2, 3. Wow! Wag mo uhulog! Wag mo uhulog! Ah.
Baka di ka kayanin yan yan.
Yay! Oh, yan na po yung mga nakuha nila.
I got more! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, wait, 12, 13, 14. Is this yours? No, that's yours. Oh, I forgot one. Wait.
I think it's more for Ronan. You have a lot, no, Ronan?
Alam mo naman, may time limit.
Oo. Where's yours, Leah? Wow, you have so many snacks.
Chips, or in the UK, crisps.
Ayan po yung mga nakuha nila. Very good experience.
Ronan, smile.
What can you say? Is it hard?
What?
Is it hard to get the snacks?
No, but I'm gonna say crisp, mate.
Oh. How about you? Huh?
Actually, in the UK, they say instead of chip, Chips, it's crisps. And also with fries.
What can you say, Liam? You cannot say anything. What can you say?
Unbelievable.
Ay? Oh, nagutom na po sila. Gutom na. Yan po siya.